There's a place on Earth so deep, even Mount Everest would disappear inside it. A place of total darkness, crushing pressure, and almost no human has ever seen it. It's called the Mariana Trench, and what's down there might be more mysterious than space itself. The Mariana Trench lies in the western Pacific Ocean. It's the deepest known part of our planet's oceans, stretching nearly 7 miles down. At its lowest point, Challenger Deep, the depth reaches around 10,900 meters. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. To put that into perspective, if you dropped Mount Everest into the trench, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. But the Mariana Trench didn't just appear overnight. It formed millions of years ago, where two massive tectonic plates collided. One plate was forced beneath the other, slowly sinking deep into the earth. This process, called subduction, created a massive scar in the ocean floor, and over time, it became the deepest place on Earth. And this process is still happening today, slowly reshaping the ocean floor over millions of years. But depth is only part of the story. At the bottom, the pressure is over 1,000 times stronger than at the surface, enough to crush a human instantly. Every square inch of your body would be under immense force, from all directions at once. There's no sunlight. Temperatures hover just above freezing. And the deeper you go, the more the world above simply disappears. And yet, life still exists here. Scientists have discovered creatures that seem almost alien. Some glow in complete darkness, using bioluminescence to survive. Others have transparent bodies or enormous jaws designed for the extreme environment. These organisms have adapted to a world humans were never meant to enter. Some species have never been seen anywhere else on Earth. Others remain completely unknown, captured only briefly on camera, before disappearing back into the darkness. What makes this even more incredible is how life survives without sunlight. Instead of relying on the sun, some organisms depend on chemical reactions for energy. Near hydrothermal vents, chemicals from the Earth support entire ecosystems. It's a completely different way of life, one that doesn't depend on sunlight at all. These ecosystems don't rely on sunlight at all, which has changed how scientists think about where life can exist, even beyond Earth. Only a handful of people have ever reached the bottom of the Mariana Trench. In 1960, the Trieste submersible made the first successful descent. Decades later, filmmaker James Cameron made a solo journey into Challenger Deep. Each mission revealed just how difficult and dangerous it is to explore this world. Some expeditions lasted only a few hours at the bottom, because staying longer increases the risk. Every second down there is a challenge against the environment itself. Exploring the trench pushes technology to its limits. Most submarines would collapse instantly under the pressure. Only specially designed submersibles, built with thick, reinforced shells, can survive the descent. Even then, nothing is guaranteed. Despite these missions, most of the Mariana Trench remains unexplored. Scientists believe there are still unknown species hidden in the darkness, entire ecosystems we haven't discovered yet. In fact, we know more about the surface of Mars than the deepest parts of our own ocean. And where there's darkness, there are always questions. Some scientists believe entirely new species could exist, organisms we've never seen before. Others look beneath the seafloor itself, where tectonic plates continue to shift, not because something unnatural is there, but because we've barely scratched the surface. The Mariana Trench isn't just deep, it's a reminder of how little we truly know about our own planet, a place of darkness, pressure, and mystery. So the question is, what's really hiding down there? Subscribe to Dark World Files for more mysteries from our world and beyond.